Let's identify the holes in the graph of this rational function. A hole will occur when there is a factor in the numerator and the denominator that will cancel out. So we're going to have to factor the numerator and denominator and see if there's anything that will cancel out. The numerator has a common factor of x, so I'm going to pull that out. That's going to leave behind x squared minus 5x plus 4. Similarly, the denominator has a common factor of negative 3, so I'm going to pull that out. If I divide everything by negative 3, that will help you see what I'm going to have on the inside. So that will leave me with x squared minus 2x minus 3. And a quick distributive property will let you see that you get back what you started with. So it makes sense. Now, I'm betting that both of these trinomials will factor further. So let's keep going. X squared will factor as x times x. 4 is either going to factor as 2 times 2 or 1 times 4. Now, inner plus outer equals middle, so I'm shooting for negative 5. So I'm going to start with the 1 times 4 option. Inner plus outer equals middle. So inner I have 1x, outer I have 4x. Alright, so I have 1x and I have 4x. I'm trying to get a middle of negative 5. So both of these would have to be negative to make negative 5. But that works out fine because negative 1 times negative 4 does give me positive 4. So I have factored the numerator completely. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the denominator. Let's bring down that negative 3. X squared would be x times x. 3 can only be 1 times 3. Inner plus outer must equal the middle. So inner I have 1x, outer I have 3x. I'm trying to get a middle of negative 2. So I need a positive 1 and a negative 3 to make negative 2. So there's my positive 1 and my negative 3. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3, so I have now factored the denominator completely. Nothing cancels out. None of the factors cancel out. So there will be no holes on this function. So the answer is B, none.